Is that a fun thing to swing in? Don't bang into the wall now.
I don't think he's got enough force to.
I don't know. Where are you going? Where are you going? That thing is huge on you, Tachi.
It's pretty big on him. But he seems to like it.
He likes swinging in it.
He's not really jumping, he's just swinging.
He doesn't know how to jump yet. Hi! Is that fun? Wow, something new and different, huh? He's really working around in it. Whoa!
There he goes, jumping a little bit.
Nothing meant to be twisted?
I don't think it matters. It'll spin it back around if you twist it too much.
This is your way of avoiding the camera.
He does hate the camera.
Tachi, spin back around, bud. Spin back around. Woo! Where'd your arm go? There it is. Oh, yep, there it is. Kind of.
Sort of. He's just like...
I'm chilling. Hi. Hi. Is it pretty fun? It's a lot twisted in it. Hey, Tachi. Where are you going? You trying to jump?
What are you doing?
Are you trying?